The schools are back for full-time in-person learning. The province now reporting absenteeism due to COVID-19. Schools that reach 30% student and staff absences are meant to reach out to public health as well as parents. According to the early numbers, hundreds of schools in this province have reached that threshold already. The Minister of Education says the newly launched student and staff absences database is supposed to help parents make decisions about whether their kids go to school or not.
Parents at home not only could check online to see the rates of absenteeism, but if your child gets a symptom of COVID, you now can immediately take action in your home within minutes, having access to an answer, and 24 hours later, to be sure, a second rapid test would be done. Upon 2 negative symptoms subside, we can get your child back to class.
Parents and public health are made aware of the situation at a school when absenteeism reaches 30%. Out of the roughly 4,800 Ontario schools, 337 of them have reached that point. 111 had rates higher than 50%. The province, however, has not mapped out parameters a school must hit to temporarily shut down. Ontario's Chief Medical Officer of Health says it's a case-by-case situation.
If the rate suddenly rises 30% above their baseline, we'll have communication which may include closure, may include further augmentation of the safety protocols within the schools to further keep them as open as they can be.
5 Hamilton schools have over 30% absenteeism. Halton has 1, Niagara has 3. However, the District School Board of Niagara didn't submit data last week due to PA days. Hamilton's Medical Officer of Health says the city will work closely with schools to navigate the ongoing situation.
Our school partners, of course, are working very closely with their staff, looking at how can they keep the school open, how can they continue to provide teaching in an environment where they may have a large number of people who are off. So that is a piece that they're working through operationally, and that's likely where we might see school closures as we go forward.
Well, the NDP education critic says this new database is useless and offers more questions than answers for parents. Merritt Stiles says the Ford government needs to reinstate testing, tracing, and extra COVID-19 case reporting so that parents are alerted whenever there's an infection in their child's classroom.